So recently I've got a few questions asking how to make a list of components or materials in your SketchUp project. So I'm going to show you how to do that the best way that I know how. There may be other ways here, but I'm in the Pro version. So really, to get a detailed list of your components, you're going to want the Pro version of SketchUp. I'm also going to open up the free version and show you what you can do there, but it is a bit limited. So to find your components, again, here in the Pro version, is pretty simple. You're going to go up here to Window, go to Model Info, and then go down here to Statistics, and then select Only Components. And it's going to tell you all of the components and how many you have. Now the problem here is I named the components things like rafter, plywood, floor joist. To get the information you really want, what you could do is name your components the actual lengths. So for like this short stud here, I don't remember on this project, but let's say it's something like 76 inches. I could put short stud 2x4 76 inches or something like that. And that way when I check out this list of components, I actually have a cut list. So that's how you do it in the Pro version. Let's go over to the free version and I'll show you what you can do there. Unfortunately, in the free version, you get a little bit less information here. So I'm in the free version, and the way that you will find all of your components is you'll go over here to Components, which is a little icon on the right. Click on that and you'll have them right here. Unfortunately, I don't think there is a way to show the quantity like we saw in the Pro version, but at least you can get a list of them here. So like I said, the best way to do this, if you do want a list, is in the Pro version, name your components with measurements so that when you go over here to Model Info under Window, Statistics, you've got an actual cut list. So I should have put on these rafters more details, or on the studs here more details, so that when I have the list here, I actually know how long each component is. But that's the best way I know to find a list. If you know of a better way, please let me know in the comments. I just wanted to answer this question, which I've gotten many times on the channel here. So anyway, that's how you find a list of components in your SketchUp project. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.